Why do corporations have legal personhood? Imagine trying to run a business where the entity itself cannot own property, sign contracts, or even sue someone. It would be chaos. That's why corporations are given legal personhood. This means they are treated as if they are a person under the law. It allows them to do things natural persons can do, like owning land, entering into agreements, and defending themselves in court. This setup makes business operations much smoother. Instead of dealing with thousands of individual shareholders, the law recognizes the corporation as a single person responsible for its actions. Legal personhood for corporations started because managing business activities was complicated without it. If a company was not a separate legal entity, legal actions would have to be taken against each shareholder individually. That would be slow, costly, and confusing. Recognizing corporations as legal persons creates a clear system for accountability. It helps protect creditors, customers, and even the shareholders themselves. They know who is responsible if something goes wrong. The idea of corporate personhood has roots in court decisions from the past. A key case was the 1886 Supreme Court case called Santa Clara County versus Southern Pacific Railroad. The court ruled that corporations are entitled to equal protection under the 14th Amendment. This meant corporations could enjoy some constitutional rights similar to individuals. They can have protections under the First Amendment, which covers free speech, and other amendments that protect privacy and due process. But it's important to remember that corporations do not have all the rights of natural people. They are given enough rights to operate fairly and efficiently under the law. Understanding this helps avoid common mistakes when forming a business. If you do not properly establish your corporation as a separate legal entity, you risk personal liability for business debts and legal issues. For example, mixing personal and business finances can lead courts to pierce the corporate veil, which means holding you personally responsible for business obligations. To prevent this, always file the correct paperwork with the state, keep separate financial records, and follow corporate formalities. Knowing that corporations have legal personhood also means recognizing their rights and limits. They can sign contracts and sue others, but they also have responsibilities like paying taxes and following regulations. Consulting legal professionals during business formation can help you navigate these rules properly. In the end, giving corporations legal personhood makes business life more manageable. It creates a clear line of responsibility and makes it easier to operate, grow, and protect everyone involved. Respecting this legal status and understanding its boundaries helps avoid costly mistakes and legal troubles down the road.